The 27th of December 2016. We're at Bryn Celli Ddu burial chamber, and we're in the main part of the chamber itself. There's a really good energy here, and I'm just trying to, with the limited light I've got a bit of a passageway here leading all the way to the entranceway. Very much limited light we've got. But this actually aligns on mid-winter solstice, and as we've got the entranceway here, I can't really see much, but it dates to about 3,000 years ago. We've got an Archaeology Cymru trip coming here. Bryn Celli Ddu, it's on Anglesey. Wonderful site. This is Baclodau y Gabres. This is a lot more accessible than that. A lot more of a positive vibe. Coming to a wonderful stone here. Sort of like a pillar. And we've got sort of like a exit here of some kind. Air coming through. Wonderful sight. So this is Karl-James reporter for Archaeology Cymru. This is going to be on our trip, and can do restoration, which is fine to keep this wonderful capstone above. People are still using this for votive offerings. Anyway, signing off. Karl-James on Anglesey, Archaeology Cymru. And one last thing, look at this spiral on the stone here. You can see the spiral. Probably maybe only make this out at this time of night. And probably if I can jiggle around as I'm